I use a lot of spray paint on projects. Spray paint's biggest shortcoming, it's not very durable, especially when exposed to the elements or in an automotive application. The easiest way to improve the durability of spray paint is to bake it. After painting, I use a toaster oven to bake parts. The temperature will vary based on what I'm painting and what paint I'm using. Plastic parts and specialty paints require a lower temperature. I bake these at 150 degrees. Metal parts painted with a basic enamel, these will take a bit more temperature. I usually bake these at 180 degrees. Metal engine parts will take more heat. The basic engine enamel, I bake at 250 degrees. And the really high temperature stuff, the exhaust paint, I cure that at 400. I've spray painted thousands of parts and I've used just about every kind of spray paint you can get. Bake curing the spray paint always improves its durability. So if you do a lot of spray painting and you've never tried bake curing your parts, give it a shot. I think you'll be happy with it.